If that ain't a sight for sore ass. I think I see a unicorn, guys. What I cannot get over is the sheer size of this beast. Do you see how big that unicorn is? And how many people are on it? That's amazing. Have you ever worked out so good that the pump penetrates your muscle fibers? And long after the workout's done and due, your muscle fibers are still tingling from the workout? That's what happened to me. You can see the pump is still going, even though I'm not flexing. Crazy. Now for those of you thinking that I'm in the sunken place, you're wrong, you know. I just got a little Confederate curious. You know, on Facebook there's a group called the Sons of Confederate Veterans. And these brothers in arms are here to uphold the colors. By the colors I mean the flag of the Confederates. Of course, the battle flag that is commonly seen in various parts of the Midwest. I did some research and I found out that the red means the blood that was shed on the battlefield. The blue, the tears that were shed. In the white, we already know what that means. So, not everyone condemns racism and upholds the colors. But this man in particular seems to do just that. How can he be racist? His skin is black, his flag is white, and his blood is red. God bless America. But has anyone tried Lumen? If you have, please let me know. My skin lately has been bugging. Maybe I want my skin to look this good. Comment section below, guys. If y'all was looking for that goes around comes around verse, this is it in Jeremiah.